Young minds are shining at one charter school in the Bronx. A team of students heading to the National Chess Championship in Maryland. The K-8 students from Rosalyn Yalow Charter School in Concourse took first place at the New York State Chess Championship last month. We're told at the charter school, chess is included in every student's rigorous academic curriculum. The school's chess team is coached by several chess masters, as well as U.S. Grandmaster title winner Irina Krush. The school says the game helps the children learn and shows them they can win and achieve big things.
It helps me plan things, when you're planning and focus on little things. Look at your opponent moves and see other people's perspectives.
Wow.
Okay.
That's pretty deep, huh? The National Chess Championship will take place at the Baltimore Convention Center May 1st to the 3rd. We are rooting for them.
We certainly are.
Kids.
5:52.